Sparkly Iris. 2 more videos to watch. Yeah. Okay, so this is my 3rd video I'm doing right now. No, 4th video. Okay, just kidding. Ha. Okay, so I got My Little Pony Pop. And I saw it in the commercial and I fell in love with it. So I got the Pinkie Pie one, and this at Toys R Us just cost $3.99, just $4, man. And this is really, really cheap. And it's kind of cool because you put stickers on her, you can decorate her. It's really fun, and whoever buys this, you're lucky because this is a really fun thing. You just stick it out you just grab it out of here and design it, and this is really, really cute. I always say cute, I'm sorry, cool. So there's Apple Dash, Rainbow Jack, Flutterpie, Pinkie Sparkle. And it's really funny because they're messed up, so this one is probably like, I have no idea. So, bye! Subscribe, like us, give a thumbs up. Just kidding. And follow me on Twitter, Sparkly Iris.